Is Roblox frozen on your Android and not responding? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox frozen screen issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force stop and clear the cache for Roblox. First, hold the Roblox app, then click on the round icon at the top. Now tap the force stop and confirm it. After that, scroll down and tap storage. Now tap the clear cache, then reopen the Roblox app. This clears temporary freezes. Solution 2. Lower Roblox graphics settings. High graphics can freeze the screen on low-end devices. Open the Roblox app on your device, then tap the three-dot menu and tap Privacy. After that, Device Preferences. Scroll down and reduce the transparency. Scroll down and reduce the transparency. Also, turn on the reduce motion. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Reinstall Roblox. If the screen still freezes, then long press the Roblox app, then tap App Info and uninstall the app. Restart your phone. Now open the Play Store on your phone, then search for Roblox. Install Roblox again from here. After that, log in and check the errors. That's it for today. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and drop a comment if you're still facing the issue. Thanks for watching.